Welcome to Pentagram Motorsport. Today is a lesson in doing a job right or doing it twice. We did a video about a month ago about the passenger side wipers on the GTI. Watch this. Unfortunately, that linkage is just popped back off again. So we're going to rip it off the car and put a spare one on. Screwdriver helps. These things, trim tools, absolutely worth their weight in gold. Seconds. And then a 13mm socket in there to try and force two out. When they're fitted correctly, they have a nut and a washer. Washer's missing from this one, but I've scavenged one off the other linkage. Then we pull these scuttle tray covers out. Passenger side one first. Both loose, it all lifts out as one big piece. As before, this is the problem arm, and they have little plastic bungs like that push over a ball joint, and I think the one on this arm has just been pushed on and off that many times that it's gotten loose. We're going to undo that nut there, that bolt there, that bolt there, unclip this wiring here, and then the whole assembly will lift out and we'll swap that over complete. With those three undone, you can lift the front and at the same time twist the back down, and the whole mechanism will lift out and you can pull it out that way. Make sure to disconnect the loom first, of course. So here's the old linkage and the replacement linkage together, and you can see this is the arm that controls the passenger side wiper, and then this is the arm for the driver's side wiper. They are just pushed onto these sort of double ball sockets, and you can see on this one there's two indents that they both sit in, and I think what's happening, looking at this was sitting in the same indent as that one, so they're both sitting on the same one, so the action of this moving is pushing this off the bottom. This is actually supposed to sit here, which you can see is kind of corroded where it hasn't had something running in it. So I think what I will do is attempt to buy a new set of arms for this linkage, or even just see if I can find an appropriate sized bush for this. But for the moment, I'm just going to throw this linkage back on the car. Of course, before we put this back on the car, I'm going to use our fabulous Bulldog BDX to lubricate all the points where the linkage actually moves. And that's it, we're all done. We've got two wipers, happy days.